To adjust the sensitivity, you hold the unlock button for 5 seconds. It chirped 5 times, so it's on setting 5. It has 7 settings. So that. Oh, wait, you gotta redo that. Sorry. Go back into that. It'll chirp 5 times.
6.
7. That's the highest. It's back down to 6. That's 5. Just wait 5 seconds. It'll automatically save whatever setting you want. And then lock, it'll only chirp once. Unlock, it chirps twice. So it's working normally.
And it's recommended that you lock your car door before you turn the alarm on to prevent it from going off.
Because it may go off when the car locks.